Hello and welcome. Today's video is a study of Jan van Eyck, and I've already added a base layer of jewels and pearls, and now it's time to make them look realistic. I'm darkening the background behind the jewels. This will help them to pop later. For darker areas of gold, a red-brown usually works well. Here I'm adding darker shadows. I rotate the piece so that I can keep my brush stroke angle uniform as I address similar areas around the piece. Here I'm starting to add a light yellow color. This will be for the gold highlights. I'm starting to blur the locations where the shadow meets the brighter areas. Because oil paint remains workable, I can move the applied paint around while it's still wet. I'm starting to add the dark areas to the jewels. For anything shiny, you will have very dark areas right next to very light areas. I will be adding more color glaze to the jewels, but that will have to wait until this layer is dry. Here I'm starting to add more gold shadows. This is a very dull dark brown, but that will be offset by the light yellow color I'll be adding in a minute. I'm adding additional light to the underside of the pearls. One brush has paint on it and the other does not, and I use this other brush to soften the paint once added. Here I've started to add highlights to the jewels. Because of all the prior work adding the darks, the highlights quickly make the jewels pop. Thank you for watching. I will be continuing work on this piece in the future, so subscribe for more updates.